What's up guys, it's Ashwin. Today we're going to be replacing the high pressure fuel pump on my N54 BMW. So I'm having a really rough idle right now as well. If I go full boost, I'll go into limp mode because the cylinder will cut off and I won't have enough fuel. So that's why we're replacing it now, and I didn't want to replace it because it's so expensive, but you gotta do, like, I'm not trying to go into limp mode on the highway again. It was not fun. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is take off both the intake, and we might have to take off the manifold, definitely take off the throttle body, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so as you can see, I have an extra piece here. Usually it'll just be this directly to here and the spacer won't be here. This is the BMS vacuum adapter, so I have my catch can right here for the low side connected up at the bottom, and then this goes to my blow valve. So all you gotta do is just push those clips in. Oh, you can't see it. Push those clips in and just pull it off. For me, I have a C-clip. Actually, I'm not gonna take off the C-clip. I'm just gonna take off brake booster line. It's gonna be easier. There we go. And then we can take off the rest of the throttle body screws. And there we go. And it just comes out. Oh, forgot about the wiring for it. Just gotta push in the clip and pull it out. Alright, I'm thinking it's probably gonna be faster to take off the manifold and try to get the new pump in there. So it's an 11 mil, and there's 6 bolts and one bolt and 6 nuts. Oh, it was such a pain to put this in last time. Hopefully it's not as bad this time. There we go. Damn, they already be a little bit oily. It's fine though, I'm not gonna clean them again. It took too long last time. Okay. So that's the starter disconnected. Alright, you're gonna need an E12 to remove a bolt down here. I don't know if you can see it. This bolt right here. It's an E12 socket. Alright, now we gotta put some papers down because we're gonna undo the fuel line. Oh, there's some fuel. Alright, so now we can just move this line out of the way. That. So an 11 mil right here. Alright, so now it's another 17 mil right here. Just pull this line out. Alright, so I have a 5.5, I think. Or maybe my thing's out of it's not in order, but there we go. It's probably something in Imperial. That's why I use a 5.5 for metric. Alright, so when I explained this, I wasn't recording, but basically for the back bolt, what I did is took the hex, because you need a long one, so it just goes all the way back, and I just turned it, and it worked for loosening it and tightening it. But for the other two, you don't have to do that, you can just use the short end. Took the back one off first, because it's probably going to be harder to take it off if the other ones are off. So I forgot to mention, I bought this fuel pump from FCP Euro, which you probably know gives you a lifetime warranty. So the next time this thing goes bad, all I have to pay for is shipping to here in Canada and then shipping back. FCP Euro makes a lot more sense in the US because they have free shipping, so you only have to pay the return shipping. I have to pay both, but like for something like this that's really expensive, it still makes more sense just to deal with it. Also, there's a core charge of $75, but I have a feeling it's gonna cost like $75 to ship this because it's heavy. So I might not send it back, but I'm gonna see. If I'm only getting back like $10, it's still fine, it's better than nothing. Now this should just come out. There should be a little bit of oil and fuel. Okay, oh, there's a lot there. Just take that, there we go. Now here, this is the old fuel pump, and this is the new remanufactured one. It's not brand new, but it's basically brand new. Man, I don't know how old this thing is. Oh, I just dumped fuel and oil everywhere. Nice. Yeah, so let's put this one back in. Or not back in, but put this in. Oh, nice. There we go, that's how we like it. Usually I go OCD and go hard, but I want to finish this so I can drive the car later today. Alright, so when you're putting the new pump in, you gotta make sure that the key, I guess, is in the right direction. It's just close, I think. I can't see because the camera, I'm gonna move it for a second. I actually found a 3/16 that is way longer, so I'm just gonna use that to get the back bolt in. I'm not gonna screw it in all the way just so it doesn't get torqued down improperly. Alright, I only have 4 minutes of recording still, so I'm just gonna pause and come back. Alright, now that I got this all torqued down, I'm gonna put this fuel line back on. Alright, next up is this bolt. It's an 11 mil. Alright, now I've tightened this, and now I just gotta put the E12 back that was holding the line. Right there. Alright, so I've plugged the fuel pump in, the low pressure fuel sensor, and the starter back in. So So now I think it's time for the manifold. Also, it's recommended to change out your throttle body gasket and your intake manifold gaskets. I did these ones 2 weeks ago, so I'm not going to do them again, but I did not do this one, so I'm just going to replace this gasket. Alright, I just went ahead and buttoned everything up, just put everything back. If you need help with any of the parts, just watch the video back. It should be helpful for what you need. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. I have a lot of stuff recorded and a lot of stuff to record, so stay tuned. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.